from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to introduce an interesting single board computer iMX233 OLinuXino MAXI. This board is based on the iMX233 application processor, which is targeted to a device which requires low power, high performance, high efficient and a quality audio video playback. Let's take a look at the board and its enabled features. The board is based on the iMX233 926J processor running at 454 MHz. The input voltage should be in the range of 6 to 16 volts. You can make use of the wall adapters connecting to the power jack to power the board. The board is featured with a rechargeable battery option where you can connect 3.7 volt LiPo battery. Please note this option would be enough to power the processors and the memory but won't be enough to power the LAN and the USB host. It has a 512 MB DDR SD-RAM for external memory. The composite video is the connector you should use if you wish OLinuXino MAXI video output on the monitor. For booting the Linux image files, it uses the microSD slot by default. Audio jack and phone jack are mounted for audio interfacing. Two USB 2.0 high-speed hosts. In OLinuXino MAXI, it has an onboard Ethernet RJ45 jack for the wide network and the 40-pin GPIO for connection to external hardware, allowing the user to attach additional hardware, checking readings and the debugging purposes. OLinuXino board has UXT connector and can interface with all the available OLiMAX's UXT modules. For more information, stay tuned to www.tenet.com.